The Crazy Dill-Pickle. Write the desired algebraic expressions. Okay, so if L is 15, so again, it's kind of nice to do these on paper. I printed these off from Schoology. You can't write on Schoology, but you can write on paper. If L is 15, how would you describe Y using algebra? Well, what would Y equal? Y is one of the parts. X is one of the parts. So if you have the total and you take away the smaller part, you'll get the other part. So let's take the total and subtract X from it. So Y would equal 15 minus X. No spaces. So again, when you type it out in Schoology, you make no spaces. So you just go 1, 5 minus sign X. Okay? So just quick math here. What if X was 5? Well, how would you get Y? Well, you would do 15 minus 5, right? Yeah, you would. So, but it's X, it's not 5. So you would write 15 minus X. Then you wait and find out what X is, and you have your expression ready to go to finally figure out what Y is. Okay, the other one. Now, let me scratch this out here. We don't know what L is anymore. Okay. We have X equals 7. How would you describe L? Oh, so this is 7 now, and this is still Y. How would you describe L? Well, L is the total, so L would be the part plus the part. The best thing to do would be Y plus 7, but that could be reversed. The best thing to do is to write the variable first, unless it's subtraction, then you're subtracting X. Okay, just try to write it the way that makes the most sense. Y plus 7, 7 plus Y also works. Okay, but I think the proper etiquette is to have the variable first, unless you're subtracting it, because you're taking it away, so save it for later. Otherwise, you have to mess this all around and nobody would have a good time then. So that's it. If you're having one of the parts, the total minus the part will equal the other part. If you have one of the parts, then part 1 plus part 2 equals the total, or the total equals the two parts. So part equals total minus part, or total equals part plus part. There you go. Just some logical spatial sense stuff. Okay, again, that was the Crazy Dill-Pickle.